Hi everyone, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Tyanna and welcome to my channel where you will be learning how to play Strawberry Blonde by Mitski. Man, like not talking to people has really messed up me talking, so sorry. But you guys have really been requesting some interesting songs and this is honestly on the top of my list right now. It's so happy and energetic, and I don't know, the title is so cute too, like Strawberry Blonde. It sounds like a really nice drink. Before we begin, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any unique requests, then please comment down below. And if you want to subscribe to me to see more of these types of videos, then please hit the subscribe button. So with that, let us get started with the tutorial. So like always, we'll start out with the chords. I think there are 7 in here. So the first one is C. Then we got E, but we have a modified E where we have this finger and this finger down on the string, but instead of playing this first string, because you know it's like all the way up here, we are just gonna put our thumb on this first string very lightly so it mutes it. So if you can hear, it doesn't really play it. And then we'll play the rest of these strings to make a modified E chord. Then we have the D minor chord, A minor, F, G, and then the last one we got going is this C major 7 where it looks like a C but you shift it up 1 fret. So it should sound like this. Great, so after you guys have learned those chords for the song, I just want to tell you guys something really quick. It's really energetic and it goes really fast, but in order to not be as repetitive with the chords, there are some notes that are longer, which would count for 2 beats, and then I'll pretty much make it look like this. And if there's notes that represent 1 beat each, then I'll make it look like this, so they'll be closer together. And for example, if there's like a 2 beated note and then also a 1 beat note and another 1 beat note, I'll make it look something like this. So you can see that the spacing would pretty much indicate if it's a 2-noter or a 1-noter. Okay, so with that, I'm going to explain to you guys the strumming patterns really quickly, and there will be mainly 3. Okay, so the first strumming pattern is going to be used for most of the song. It will be denoted in black, something like this, and then it looks like this. And while you guys are playing, there's something really important to note, that you're playing with your nails, so it sounds more bright and happy. So versus if you're playing with your fingers, it sounds softer. So for the second strumming pattern, you're going to be used a couple times through the song. It's going to be denoted in red, so it will look like this color, and it goes like this. And then the last strumming pattern, which you'll use for the part at the end, Isaiah, Isaiah. And then there's actually a 4th one, and that one is going to be denoted with like an asterisk, and it's pretty much just all down notes, and that's kind of up to your discretion of how many times you want to play that down note, but that's how it's going to be notated. Okay, so when you play the first 2 verses, make sure to keep it like very lively because the song is super lively and it's going to be kind of hard to stay on beat, but just try your best. Try your best with each down strum to keep on track. Ready? I love everybody because I love you. When you stood out, walk away barefoot, and all the grass lay white, imagine your state, then looked over it, I ache. I love everybody because I love you. Don't need the city, don't need proof. Dun 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 dun. Your shape, picture on dun, and I ache. Look at you, strawberry blonde. Okay, so that is the first 2 verses. After, we're going to be playing the interlude, and it goes like this. So after you finish the interlude and like the first half of the song, I know it's a lot, it's really fast, we'll go on with the third verse, which is pretty much the same as the first verse. And so it goes like this. Cool, so now we're off to the chorus, and so you want to be a little softer on the first chorus, during the second chorus a little louder, and then when you repeat that second chorus one last time, then you will just play all out and super passionate and stuff. Okay. Look at you, strawberry blonde, feels running on, I love it when you call my name, can hear the bumblebee swarm, watching their rock, I love it when you look my way, look at you, strawberry blonde, feels running on, I love it when you love my name, can you hear the bumblebee swarm, watching your rock, I love it when you look my way, look at you, strawberry blonde, feels rolling on, I love it when you call my name, can you hear the bumblebee swarm, watching your arm, I love it when you look my way. So the last thing in this song is an outro, and this is where you're going to be using the third strumming pattern, and it goes like this. Isaiah, 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 Isaiah. And pretty much the last three notes is just however you feel like it should be played. But yeah, that's it. Yay! So once you finished it all, let's play it all together to see if you guys got it. So you guys played Strawberry Blonde by Mitski. Cool name, by the way. For those people who actually stay here till the end of the video, hi! I have been really loving all the support that you guys have been giving me and the other ones, and so it really motivates me. So thank you guys for all the love. If you have anything to say, then please comment below. Man, I want to hear how you guys' quarantine is going, because I'm getting to that break of like not socializing enough, and so I'm not going crazy, but I'm kind of socially deprived crazy a little bit. It's okay though. And then if you want to see more of me, then please hit the subscribe button. Yeah, almost at 1,000, and I'm really happy. I'm trying to decide what I want to do for that video, but it will be special because I wouldn't have gone this far without you guys believing in me, teaching you guys how to play ukulele. So with that, guys, I will see you next time, and hope that you guys have a wonderful week. Be productive, stay happy, and you guys can do it. We're almost kind of not really done with quarantining, but you know, new situations equates to new mindsets, and hopefully these mindsets that you guys are developing are happy and good. So enough of me talking. I will see you guys next time. Till then, bye.